Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore some very useful action words called phrasal verbs. These are special teams of words that work together. I will read the phrasal verb, then its meaning, and then the example sentence. After each sentence, I will pause so you can repeat it after me. Ready? Let's begin. 1. Put on. Phrasal verb. Put on, put on. Meaning, put clothing on your body. Sentence. I put on my warm coat before going outside. Now you try. Repeat after me. I put on my warm coat before going outside. 2. Take off. Phrasal verb. Take off. Take off. Meaning, remove something you are wearing. Sentence. Please take off your muddy shoes at the door. Your turn. Please take off your muddy shoes at the door. 3. Look for phrasal. Verb. Look for, luke for. Meaning, search for something. Sentence. We are looking for the hidden treasure on the map. Repeat after me. We are looking for the hidden treasure on the map. 4. Clean up. Phrasal verb. Clean up, clean up. Meaning, make a place tidy. Sentence. Let's clean up the playroom after we finish playing. Your turn. Let's clean up the playroom after we finish playing. 5. Get up. Phrasal verb, get up, get up. Meaning, move from a lying position to a standing position. Sentence. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Repeat after me. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. 6. Go away. Phrasal verb, go away, go away. Meaning, leave or disappear. Sentence. The rain has gone away, so we can play outside now. Your turn. The rain has gone away, so we can play outside now. 7. Listen to me. Phrasal. Verb. Listen to, lisun to. Meaning, pay attention to sounds or speech. Sentence. Always listen to the teacher when she is talking. Repeat after me. Always listen to the teacher when she is talking. 8. Throw away. Phrasal verb. Throw away, throw away. Meaning, put something in the trash. Sentence. Make sure to throw away your garbage correctly. Your turn. Make sure to throw away your garbage correctly. 9. Look at phrasal verb. Look at luke at. Meaning, use your eyes to see something. Sentence. Sarah is looking at a picture book. Repeat after me. Sarah is looking at a picture book. 10. Run around. Phrasal verb. Run around, run around. Meaning, move quickly and play in a free way. Sentence. The children love to run around and play tag in the park. Last one together. The children love to run around and play tag in the park. Teacher outro. Enthusiastic and warm. Wonderful work, everyone. You did an amazing job learning these 10 phrasal verbs today. Keep practicing them every day.